Hi and welcome to Cov Auto Components. We're using these series of videos to introduce you to new parts to our extensive range that we've been making since 1969. If you saw our previous videos, you'll be aware that we have made the XK120 brake pedal for right hand drive, the clutch pedal for right hand drive to match, the clutch drop link, the clutch actuator fork, the drop arm on the body, and we also make this beautiful adjuster to set it all up correctly. Of course, if you are converting your 120 to right hand drive, you'll realise you need to convert the steering, in which you will need the trunnion clamp in right hand drive form. We do of course make it in left hand drive as well. And you will say, what about the idler? Well, we have made the idler for right hand drive, as we made so many rebuild kits that, well, it didn't make sense not to. So we can supply all these pieces as a kit for right hand drive conversions as well. Amongst our other range of castings that we've manufactured, we have the anti-roll bar drop bracket, the drop link itself to hold the anti-roll bar. We've also cast the trunnion, and we make the whole adjuster for the torsion bar. And on the rear suspension, we have made in aluminium bronze the rear spring hanger, so that's once more obtainable. And of course we do make the other drop links for the handbrake pieces. And if you've got an XK140, please don't feel neglected. We made your rear clutch pedal, left hand drive brake, and right hand drive brake pedal first of all. Here they are on the shelves in SG iron. As a final mention, one of my other favourite castings is this beautiful rear handbrake assembly that suits the 150. So if you want to fit a disc brake conversion to any other car, we can supply this. These are actually part produced, they've been machined. We haven't actually riveted on the cage holders yet. We put the special brass nut in to stop it seizing, and we can supply it with the full adjuster arm assembly ready for you to fit onto your rear calipers.